you guys do? What's up, everyone? It's K-Based Babushka Show. And today, we are laughing reaction to watch Bad Grandpa with the next to Babushka Show videos. So on some epic conversation calls, no already speaking on, let's just start Byron. Hello! Hello, Isabella. My name is Rez. Hey, Tim. Hey, Isabella. This is from K-Based Babushka Show on YouTube.
Yes!
I got on K-Based Babushka Show. She don't recognize about. This is my Serbian flag right there on screen.
Oh wow, I love Serbia.
They talk about laughing all the time. There'll be out laughs. Don't interrupt with a big country, Isabella. You don't interrupt the rest of the Serbian speakers with some epic conversation calls. I'm already speaking against me to. We were laughing and watched that and enough me to disobey me to watch the news, Shane?
Oh,
Say yes.
yes.
Well, I watch this appearancing to be out loud to watch that vlog sometimes. Bry, Isabel, you want to watch it? Shane, you watch Shane today. Very nice. You don't have braces on.
We have to tell Bella before she goes.
She goes, you be out loud. You gotta be excited for my new smartphone.
Yay!
Did you know Rest is a professional YouTuber?
Yeah, so you will be excited tonight because since his boyfriend does not attacking everybody on Walmart on tonight, will be no school on Friday.
Rest, where do you want to take Bella to? You want to take her to Serbia Fest?
Yes.
Yay!
We'll go Serb Fest and then Taste of Serbia.
Yes! Taste of Serbia!
And we'll grab Cevapi, Pieskamica, and wear my clothes on big plans.
Say bye.
Bye, Isabella. What are you doing there? Svagam.
Hi, Res.
Hi, Shane. I'm being out laughed at my prank calls. I did out laughs in my FaceTime. Does not happen like a hilarious jobs around houses, but Shane.
See Brian's dog?
Yes, you have a dog, Shane.
No, look. Hi.
Hi, dog. What are you talking about that big time? You can be out laugh on Kidbreak's Babushka Show, but deny me on YouTube. She don't recognize to be out laughs for the big people. Me again, Shane.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy because I'll be excited tonight. A new microphone tested up on the breaking news sometime. Breaking news on News Ball. Breaking news. Hello, I am Lester Holt on NBC the Nightly News. According to Lester Holt said on the journalist.
Is everyone asleep?
No, mom and dad is far asleep, but I'm gonna be vlogging hilarious calls. It's gonna be make me hilarious.
Okay.
Bye, Shane. I'll see you on summer break. Don't forget.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Don't forget to go to Big Plans for summer break.
Yeah, Res.
We're very excited on the summer break about 4 months away till 5 months away, 4 months away till Surfest and 5 months away till Taste of Serbia, Shane.
Okay, Res.
Bye, Shane. I'll see you next year. I'll see you on summer break.
Okay.
Bye.
Brian.
Bye, Rest.
Bye, Shane. Bye, Brian. Bye, Brian. Don't forget to bring on my jobs around the house.
Okay.
Brian, you met an Orthodox patriarch in Chicago?
Yes.
You met Isabella, met the Orthodox clergymen in Chicago.
You, Bella, Rest, and Doggy.
Doggy cannot go to Taste of Serbia. He's not go there.
Doggy, you cannot go to Taste of Serbia. You're not old enough.
You're not a human. You're an animal. You deny us want to do something.
Okay, sounds good.
Bye.
Bye, Rest. Have a good night.
Have a good night too. I'll see you on Friday.